We're very happy that you're here today. But first of all, akong pasalamatan ang Ginoong Diyos, si Senyor Santo Niño, nga paghatag niya kanato og nindot og maayo nga panahon. Pakpakan nato si Senyor Santo Niño. Ako sang pasalamatan ang mga kaparian nga gipanguluhan ni Archbishop Palma, ang mga choir, lay ministers na nagsaulog sa atong santos nga misa. Atong pakpakan sila. Ako sang pasalamatan ang atong provincial government together with Governor Pam na nagpakita nagpakita ang atong syudad sa Subo together with the provincial government. Usara na. We are united. Second, I would like to welcome all of you to this celebration, to those who are here today and to those looking us online and watching us. We hope that this day would be memorable and enjoyable to all of us. And lastly, in behalf of the Cebu City government, Mayor Tommy Osmeña, the councilors, the department heads, and all the department employees, together with the provincial government, with Governor Pam Garricuatro, and all of the provincial government, in behalf of the power vested upon us, I, Nestor Archibald,
and Pamela Garricuatro,
we are now officially proclaiming that the Sinulog Parade and Dance Competition officially